Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will convert this orthographic drawing into the 3D model as shown in isometric image. So before starting this tutorial, if you like my method of teaching, then you can support me on coffee.com. Your small support will help this channels to grow. And you can also visit my website mechnexus.com for more information on FreeCAD. Here I frequently write the articles on FreeCAD and other open source software. I also write the tutorials here. Here you will not only get information about the FreeCAD but also on mechanical design, manufacturing process, engineering material. So I write here to cover all the aspect of mechanical engineering. So let's start our tutorial. So first we will read our drawing. So as in isometric view, we can see that here is a circular boss, and there is a L shape of a bracket. In fact, it would be a weldment assembly. Here should be the weld, because this part would not be manufactured in a single part until and unless it should be a casted part. So it is clearly that it is a weldment. So first we will make this circular boss, and we can see the hidden dimensions as well here. So let's start our tutorial. So first I will create a body, and I will on my origin plane, and I will make it on the XZ plane, which is our front plane. So I will select the plane and create a sketch, and I will off my origin plane. Now we will read the dimension. The OD of this circular boss is 48. Here it is given 48. So first we will make the circular boss, circle, and then we will constrain it with a diameter which is 48, and the length of this boss is 70. So I will come out of the sketch, and then I will create the pad and give my dimension 70, and I will say OK. Now in top view we can see that this L shape of a bracket is flush with the edge. So for this we can select this face to create our sketch, or there was another method that we can directly create the plate and make a cut. So I think that would be the best practice. We can also make from here as well, but I think making this L plate at the first feature would be the best one. So what I will do, I will delete this pad, delete the sketch. I will again on my origin plane switch to the isometric, and this time I will select my top plane and create a sketch. So here I will draw the L shape of a bracket. I will off my plane. I will create a rough profile. Now I will give this vertical constraint, and the thickness is given 15. So select this point and this point, dimension 15, this one and this one 15, and now this dimension is also very important. So this is the 85. So I will select the line and I will give the 85. Height is 60 here. Now I will come out of the sketch and then I will extrude it. I will take it to the symmetric to the plane, and total extrusion length is a 48, which we can see here. So, okay, and now we will make the cut. So I will select this face and create a sketch, and this boss OD is 48. So I will draw a circle and give it a diameter of 48. Now I will come out of the sketch and I will go with a cut, and I will give it through all. Now I will select this face and I will create a sketch, and I will switch to the isometric, and now I will project my geometry, and I will draw a circle here. So here is a problem that recompute failed. So I will go again in the sketch and let's see what happened. So I will delete it, and now I will select this and this and give it equal. I will say OK to the sketch and extrude it. Extrusion length is 70. So I will simply select the pad and I will say reverse, and here I will give my direction length 70. Now I will say OK. So we have made overall shape. Now we will make this counter bore hole. So for counter bore holes we will select this face and create a sketch. So here our minimum diameter is 15, so we will create a circle and assign it diameter 15. Say close. Now we will go to the counter bore holes. So in counter bore holes, first we will give here the our minimal diameter. So while making this counter bore hole, first operator drill this 15 mm diameter up to the length of 55. This is the 15. If we minus 70 minus 15 minus 40, so here will be our diameter will be 15 and depth would be 40 plus 15, 55. So this is the 55. So while making the counter bore, first make drill of a minimum hole, the first hole which will be used to make the counter bore. So this is the 55. Now Here select the counter bore. Now we will give the diameter. So diameter one is 30, so we will give the 30 with the depth of 15 mm. Always note that your second diameter must be larger than your first one. So you can see that our counter bore has been created, and now you can see that here we are seeing the angle. To avoid that, you select here the flat, because our drill is a flat here. Now say OK. Now go to the tree view. Now we will create this slot on this face. So I will select the face and create a sketch. I will convert the edge. Now I will select the 3-point arc. I will select this and give the tangent. Select this and give the tangent. Now I will make this horizontal and I will close my profile. Now the slot radius is R8, so I will select this and give the radius 8. And from edge to center is a 20. So I will give the 20. Our sketch is fully constrained. I will close it. Now go with the cut and say through. So this is how we have successfully converted this orthographic drawing into the 3D model as it is. Now what we will do, we will apply the color. So I will go appearances and here select the shape color. I will say OK. So this is all about this tutorial, and this tutorial is designed for the beginner user, and I will provide this 2D drawing and source file of this tutorial in the video descriptions, so any beginner user can easily practice this model with the help of this 2D drawing, and in the case of any doubt the user can refer my source file. So this is all about this session, and if you like my method of teaching, then please support me on coffee.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and also visit my website for more information and news on the FreeCAD. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.